A pleasant day, everyone. Today we're going to talk about 5 misconceptions about beliefs, norms, value, and tradition on the Philippines. First, we have, ang hindi marunong magmasa sa sariling wika ay masahol pa sa hayop at malansang isda. Ito po ay ang famous quote ni Rizal. To this day, no official manuscript linking Rizal to the poem has been identified yet. Number 2, Magellan found the Philippines. Pero according po sa pinag-aralan namin, nung nakapunta na po sila sa Philippines, is marami na pong nakapunta sa island ng Philippines. Number 3, Filipinos eats dog meat. Pero at this day po, meron pong law na pinagbabawal na kumain ng karne ng aso. Number 4, Filipinos smile at you, they like you. Palangiti lang po talaga yung mga Pilipino, and it's our culture. Number 5, Filipino believe that if you have the mental problems, they say, nasa isip mo lang yan. Mostly po, this kind of situation needs medical help upang masolusyonan po ito. And that is the 5 misconceptions about norms, values, tradition on the Philippines. Thanks for listening. Bye!
Yes, I won't ever mind crisping up on your back.